Wuhan in China. The city is modern. As you can see the name there, it's huge hype, and I'll be explaining why. Before we even start eating, the staff had already been helping. Every color represents a different flavor. There's ice cream, there's... Hey guys, welcome back to Jay's Journey. Today we are back at Wuhan in China, and look at all this mega skyscraper that's everywhere. This city is straight up like futuristic. The city is modern, vibrant, it's packed with lots of amazing food. But today's mission is simple. We will be visiting a very special and a famous restaurant. This chain of restaurant is actually pretty new, but it has been gaining lots of hype and momentum recently, and I will explain to you why. As you can see, the name there is called Yanqing BBQ in Chinese. And look at all this crowd here. It's really packed with lots of people trying to enter. This brand has only been around shortly, 4 months maybe, but it has huge hype, and I'll be explaining why. But before that, look at all these dishes we have ordered, and the sauce station here is incredible. Lots of different flavors, seasoning to choose from. It's all about customizing every bite into the flavor that you like, exactly that you love. Before we even start eating, the staff had already been helping us to grill the meat. It's one of the biggest selling point here, and if you have been in China long enough, you realize this is a trend started by this brand called Haidilao. That brand is actually a famous hot pot joint where they started this service of every food is being cooked for you with a waiter there to serve you. Their service are top notch, and yes, you might have guessed it, this joint is actually opened by the same Haidilao group. That's why it has so much popularity, not to mention that the service that they push is top notch. That also includes having our rice bowl mixing for us. Now that's service. Our rice is ready, let's dig in guys. Everything is well mixed, but we are waiting for our meat to be cooked actually. Look at this, all the meat is juicy, smoky. It's all about controlling the fire so the meat is cooked just nice. Wow, I'm still eating, and the next round of cooking is already commencing. What a great service, keep it going guys. You might have felt as you're watching the video, but this is probably one of the reasons why this joint has gained so much popularity is because of the service. Back in the days, hot pot, grill meat is all about self-grilling, right? You have to do it yourself. But this player a game changer. They do it for you. So by doing that, you can have more time to chill with a friend, to chat, and you can customize your food as you want. So it is a great way to enjoy the meat. And now I'm going to use lettuce as a base to make my next batch. This is definitely going to cut away the greasiness, and it will feel so refreshing. It's definitely healthy too, right? Next up, we'll be going with some marinade meat. It's a Korean-based flavors. It's spicy definitely. Be careful if you can't handle the spiciness. This is definitely not for you. Look at how fatty is this meat. It's gonna be a great bite. But how to take it to the next level? Mix it with rice, definitely right. It's a great way to cut away the greasiness while you can feel all the grains they are pushing in your mouth. So this is gonna be an awesome combination. For this round, we'll be mixing it with some Korean kimchi. It's spicy, it's sweet, and it tastes great. More meat is being served. We have actually went all in and ordered almost entire menu. lamb, pork, beef, chicken, like literally everything. And this round is another unique bite with pork and pickled vegetables. It reminds me so much of my travels back in Germany. The pickles are sour and crunchy. The flavor is really flavorful. Look at all this fatty belly. They are being grilled to make sure they're extra crispy. But that's not the end of it. After adding the vegetables, it's time to put everything together. The meat, the veggies, they have to be stacked up properly so that the veggies will actually soak up all the delicious meat juice and fats. You gotta mix them up together properly. This method of cooking is really unique, and to be honest, I would prefer to eat the veggies over the pork actually, as they have been so flavorful. Using the tiny bit of rice that have remained, I'm gonna use it with this pork, and let's go for it. Let's move on to these cute little sausages. It is so fun to look at. Every color represents a different flavor. There's original, there's sweet, there's wasabi, and much more to choose. Not only are they cute, they're definitely tasty too. Which one would you prefer to go first? Comment down below and let us know your thoughts. Let's keep the grill going, and now we are slowly moving on to the beef. We had lamb, we have lots of pork just now, but the beef just hit differently. At this moment, we are having difficulty to keep up with the food because they have been grilling so fast. We are still eating, but the next batch is being served like this one. So let's keep going. Now they have finally brought in the ultimate beef, Wagyu. It's thickly cut, and look at the marbling. I would definitely say that the fat that's woven through the muscle is the reason why Wagyu is the king. And to cook it, they even changed the grill net for it. It's all attention to the little details. Check this out, guys. Look at how beautiful is this meat and the coloring, and it's definitely tasty. Finally, for the last dish, we have a unique Chinese BBQ move. They are going to use hot oil at here and they'll splash it into the grill. The huge sizzling sound is instantly filling the entire room, and they are not only cooking the meat but also take cut of the noodles. This is really a unique way to enjoy this dish, and I love it, like really a lot. This barbecue session is coming to the end, and it's time for dessert. There's ice cream, there's fresh melons and sweet mangoes, the perfect ending to an incredible feast. Overall, I would say that the service is amazing, the meat is premium, and there's a great vibe and atmosphere. If you ever had a chance to visit China, Yanqing barbecue is definitely the joint to go for, and I would highly recommend it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more China adventures, and I will see you in the next video, guys.